stopping by. I appreciate it. So today we went ahead and finished up the pipe that was sitting right here, put on the C condulet 3/4 inch, and went straight across. Actually, no, we did like a 6.5 inch offset up to the little ceiling up there, and then went straight across to the wall, 90 down this wall, went all the way down here. And then we basically did a shepherd's hook 90 right here, boom, right through the wall. And that came out right through here, but to our hole that we wanted to. And then we just put the pipe on the wall, box offset into our 4 11/16. And then we just pulled the string through it. And there's also a wire that was hanging out right here. Got that disconnected, and someone already patched it. So basically just opened up this circuit right here and locked that out, and then went ahead and disconnected the switch leg. There was 2 switch legs, one for this used to be under cabinet light, and this is another under cabinet light, and they were 3-wayed. So turn it on over here, disconnects this one, and then you turn it on over there, and that turns it back on. So anyways, got that one disconnected, and that looked out really well, that we didn't have to do anything special. And then this plug was already there, receptacle. Cut in this receptacle right here, cut in this receptacle right there, and got those. Also, the wires are ready and stripped, ready to go into our 4 11/16 box. So got those 2 dragged down. These are going to be for refrigerators. That's going to be another dedicated refrigerator, but that was already there, so every 30 inches. So we got one there, this one for that 30 inches, and that one for that 30 inches. So we got the 3 refrigerator circuits right there, and we'll have a spare probably as well up in the box. And then moving on from there, went ahead over to here and went ahead and cut this in, cut these in right here. Tapped off of this receptacle right here, and added that right there. Might need an actual label. Right now I just did some temporary marker on there, some whiteboard dry erase. And then that obviously is a data, so I just did a cut-in ring and tied off a string with a hole up above the ceiling, tied off the string up there, tied off the string right here. And so that pretty much wrapped up our day. So really successful, got a lot done, went a lot better than I thought. So anyways, pretty much wraps it up, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. That's gonna do it. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, appreciate it. I'll see you guys back in the next one. God bless, peace.